Good day everyone. I am Midshipman Miguelito Naperi Lacaba. I'm taking Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, second year, section 2A8. Because when I was a child, this is my dream work. And being a seafarer, um, has a benefit to travel the world for free. When someone is talking inside the classroom, I will listen to them, and for me, that way is how I can show respect to others. In 5 years, I will be a successful seafarer, like financially stable with a happy family. For me, the only thing I want to leave behind in this world is a good impression that I can show in become a ship officers, so that whenever my name is mentioned, people remember the positive contribution I made to the maritime industry.